Hey, welcome back. It's Ali again. And in this video, let's take a look at another really cool app called Quik. I believe it's by the team of GoPro, but really amazing and simple app that allows you to create awesome videos by combining different images. It's actually one of my favorite and go-to apps that I love to use. And here is the website quik.gopro.com. And this is what this app looks like. Now let's do a quick demo. Let me bring my iPhone, and now let me go find that app. So here it is, Quik. That's the logo, and really simple, different stories I've created. You can look at the settings. You can save videos in 1080p, save videos in 60 frames per second. A lot of other cool stuff. Now let's click on plus icon, and this is where you can actually access your photos. So you can access all the photos, moments, videos, selfies, time-lapse, screenshots, a lot of different stuff. Let's go to screenshots, and here's a event that I recently was part of. I spoke at the Dallas App Developers Meetup as a marketing specialist. So let's create a cool video using this app. So I'm just gonna select a couple of images that are related to that event. So I selected 5. I believe that's how many you have to select. Let's click on add 5 on the top. And now this is where the magic happens. Look at that. So what you see right here is different sort of designs or formats, so to speak. So for example, if you pick action, look how the transition is from one image to the next. It's kind of like dissolving into the next image. If we pick slice, it's going to be a little different. How cool is that? Looking back, look at that. Ooh, that's interesting. So imagine what you can do with this app. If you have images of, let's say, from an event that you had, or maybe create quick images of customer testimonials, you can stitch those together using this Quik app and create compelling video content. They have a lot of different designs. It's just amazing. Now let's look at some of the options at the bottom. So the first one, this is where you can, I believe, select different type of music. Right now I'm speaking in the microphone, so I have this microphone or the music disabled, but here are different options for you. Then the second one is, so this is where you can actually edit, remove some video, the images that you selected. Excuse me. I'm gonna go to the first one and add the text. Instead of looking back, I want to add Dallas App Dev Meetup. That was the name of this event, and hit OK. And then you can also go through the other images that you've selected, and then look at the different options at the bottom. You can add text on the top, delete, rotate, focus, change the duration, and then also like duplicate images. Look at that, super easy to do. Let's hit OK, and here's their branding at the end, which doesn't really bother me, but what I've seen some people do, and it's totally up to you, they would create a video using this app, and then guess what? They would trim it because their branding is towards the end. So they would trim the last few seconds to get rid of the branding. It doesn't really bother me, but it's totally up to you. Now let's look at the settings. So this is where you can pick different formats depending on where you want to post this. So for example, if I was posting this on Instagram stories, I could do the portrait. For other type of content, Square does really well. So let's stick with square, hit OK. And then you can also look at the duration. Right now it's 36 seconds, which is really long. So I can kind of speed it up by 23 seconds, or I can go, any length that I like. Hit OK. Music. So here's different music. I can change the starting point of the music. Really simple. So that's pretty much it. The magic in this app is really these awesome formats. So if you pick these, it automatically kind of applies this format, or some people like to call these different themes, to your video. Now let's hit save, and this is it. Now you can share this video content on your Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, or you can save it to your photo library and then use it on your marketing channels later on. Again, the app that we just saw is called Quik. It's by GoPro, free app. They do have a really small or minor branding a few seconds towards the end, but it doesn't really bother me. Or like some people, what they do is they trim last few seconds to get rid of the branding. So totally up to you. But I would strongly suggest to use this app to create some video content and see how you like it. Test it and see if you like using this app to create some video content for your business.